I've been rocking this Hyper tool roll. It's great. It's got adjustable straps. I got a lot of my bushcrafting tools easily accessible this way. Let's see, got regular steak knife, knife and a fork, metal straw, chopsticks, scissors. Here we have a razor knife, a folding razor knife, Sharpie, Leatherman Micro, lighter, side cutters, pliers, flat screwdriver, multi-screwdriver, flashlight. Here's a nice little great tool. Basically, it's a chisel with a blade. And then for my main knife, at least in this one, Mora. And then a Corona saw. All in a nice, easily accessible tool roll. I got tired of just digging through packs looking for stuff, and it's been working great.